stop.
And shield.
Spell that.
S-U-N.
Oh. I wait until your music stop. You all right now? Amen. Was that holy music that was playing? You know, because when I heard the rhythm, you know. You better change that dial tone. Amen.
Amen.
You see how the Lord let things happen? You better make sure your dial tone is
Dial
over.
tone is right.
Shouldn't be no Teddy Pendergrass or Prince or Michael Jackson, none of that. Amen. Amen. You're still holding on to the world.
That's right.
Have your dial tone right.
And the dial tone's got to be right.
Amen.
Amen.
You know they're looking down, checking them phones now. All right, Williams, let's have it.
Psalms